So now I'm going to enter the shop and will give you all the small details. I want to show you everything. I don't want to stick only the bike. So this is the one. This is Suzuki. के नाम हो यार? Inzuma. Very strange for me. This is Honda CBR 500R. So this is all pre-owned and basically imported from Australia, and we have bikes which is like way back. I mean, these bikes are basically you won't see now on the streets. Which bike is this? Really? यस्तो बाइक चाहिँ हेर्दाखेरि पनि बाजेले चलाउने पालाको जस्तो लाग्छ. And look at the bikes which are piled up here. मैले उतातिर ट्रम्प पनि देखिरहेको छु, and then we have Yamaha. This is very strange to me. I don't know what exactly is this. It looks like to me like a footrest. तर I don't know, rotate गर्न चाहिँ नमिल्दो रहेछ. K1200 GT. So this is the place, man, and they are very professional people here. Okay, now we have a Honda CBR 500R. These bikes basically don't require much repairs. Not all of them, but few of them. Honda. So you can see different bikes, different super bikes piled up here. Fazer. This looks Yamaha Fazer. Hunsong. This bike is also a Hunsong. Hunsong is a bike which I don't like the most. I mean, I don't have a choice of riding a Hunsong. Right now we are checking all the details. हाम्रो यहाँ Hunsong bike यति मन पर्दैन. This is lever which is modified. कलरले थाहा भइरहेछ चेन्ज गरेको. कुन त्यही त त्यसको चाहिँ त्यो टाउको कट भएर रहेछ नि त हैन. त्यसले गर्दा अलि हल्का राम्रो देखेछ के. अगाडिपट्टि चाहिँ पल्सर 150 180 सीसी जस्तो देख्ने के. यसको साइलेन्सर सानो के कफम्यान्स एक्जस्ट. अब यस्तो स्पेयर पार्ट्स छ जो अलिकको टाइममा इजी हुन्छ भनेको. So this is a 650 Ninja. अगाडिबाट यस्तो ड्यामेज भइसकेको छ. But if you see the tires quality, see definitely these bikes need a wear and tear. And I asked the price of one of the bikes, which I will show you later on, and very reasonable. I want to show you something here. Look at this. This is the power supply to charge your batteries, to charge your phone, I think. Yeah. पुरानो टाइम is here. पुरानो टाइम त्यस्तो हुन्थ्यो कि. पहिला यस्तो हुन्थ्यो हैन. CF motors. All Australian bikes. Exhaust has changed, and then this mono चाहिँ सही लाग्यो मलाई. राइट ह्यान्ड साइडमा राख्दिएको रहेछ. र कसको हो त्यो बेन्लीको पनि राइट ह्यान्ड साइडमै रहेछ नि त हैन. हैन मान्छे नपाएर हो कि ग्राहक नपाएर हो कि के भएर हो यार यो मान्छेले फाल्ने ठाउँ नपाएर हो कि ल हेर्नु त कुन बाइक छ यहाँ? I want to see which bike is this. If you guys can come recognize this bike, please put that in the comment section. But for now, I don't know actually which bike is this. Fully modified tank is so huge that I can barely recognize this bike. So तपाईहरुले हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ यहाँ स्क्रैप बाइक्सहरु छ जुन तपाईहरुले इम्पोर्ट गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ यिनीहरुलाई कन्ट्याक्ट गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ. Basically these people are working here since 20 years. यो कंपनी यो जो शॉप छ यो 20 years बाट यता छ and 2009 बाट लिएर जति पनि माथिको बाइक्सहरु छ सबै यिनीहरुसित छ. लाइक धेरै नयाँ बाइकहरु छैन यिनीहरुसित. जति पनि छ यो Bentley 600i मैले हेरे भर्खरै. This is the one which I really like it. Fresh bike. The bike is almost brand new, but this costs you around 9,000 dirhams, and you can calculate as per your country currency, and they will give you the bike as it is. They will not gonna do any kind of repair. Bike do really require a lot of maintenance, because you know, like most of the parts, especially the engine and other things are okay, but other body framing and other things are gone. You know, like it's almost, you can see here, it's almost damaged, and these parts are the aftermarket parts, I think so. If I'm not wrong, these parts are aftermarket parts, or maybe the original one. I'm not sure. I have never been like ride any kind of Benelli bike, so possibly maybe the original one. Anyway, the bike really seems good to me, and the good part is like the engine is really okay. So other things which I find here is very rarest bikes which I really like. I have never been seen this kind of bikes. You can see this bike. These bikes are almost very old. I don't know, but it's very heavy. It seems like a huge bike. You can see one more CBR Honda. This bike is really a machine, you know. Like nowadays, this kind of heavy bikes, you know, the size of this bike is totally very huge. Look at this giant beast. This is another huge bike, you know. Nowadays, by, as I told you, like this Suzuki GSX-F. So quite a long name, and then the huge 750cc with a huge body, you know. You can see some bikes over there as well. Nobody is caring about these beasts, you know. I feel pity, and naramro lagcha, you know, like we love super bikes, we all love super bikes, and then these conditions of the bikes, nobody care. I feel bad for these bikes. I even don't know most of the bikes name here. I mean to say, like the model I don't know. Like these bikes are really old. नेपालमा सेकेन्ड ह्यान्ड सुपर बाइक्स इम्पोर्ट गर्न दिँदैन अरे. एउटा अपर्च्युनिटी जेनेरेट हुन्छ, एउटा बिजनेस जेनेरेट हुन्छ कसैको, हैन. म कसैको नाम लिन चाहन्न पर्टिकुलरली, तर यहाँ हाम्रो नेपालमा यति ट्यालेन्टेड केटाहरू छ, यति ट्यालेन्टेड आर्टिस्टहरू छ हाम्रो नेपालमा. उनीहरूले यस्तो थोत्रो सुपर बाइक्सहरूलाई उनीहरूले यस्तो कस्टम गरिदिन्छ, यस्तो राम्रो बनाइदिन्छ. तिनीहरूको त्यो क्रिएटिभिटी नै माइन्ड ब्लोइङ हुन्छ क्या. तर त्यस्तो चान्सहरू किन नदिने के नेपालमा? सो अब सोरुम माफियाहरूले के गर्छ, ठुल्ठुलो मन्त्रीहरूलाई पैसा दिन्छ, एन्ड देन वाट दे डु इज लाइक तिनीहरूले सेकेन्ड ह्यान्ड सुपर बाइक्सहरू ल्याएर के भन्छ भन्नाले ओके स्क्रैपहरू आएर अनि नेपाल बर्बाद हुन्छ भन्छ. वाट द बुलशिट इज द्याट? कति सानो सानो एसियन कन्ट्रिजहरूमा तिनीहरूले लिगलाइज गरेको छ. लेट्स से लाइक इन्डिया भइहाल्यो, होइन. इन्डियामा पनि तिनीहरूले लिगलाइज गरेको छ. यु क्यान कस्टम यर ओन बाइक्स, अनि उनीहरूले आफ्नो यार्ड बनाएको छ, एन्ड दे जेनेरेट द इन्कम, दे जेनेरेट द बिजनेस, दे जेनेरेट द जब. विदेश जानै पर्दैन नि त्यस्तो गऱ्यो भने त. This is such a beautiful place. I mean, we can say this as a junkyard for the pre-used bikes, but this is the most beautiful place which I found myself personally, because this is all collections, you know. After all, this all is a hard work from all the engineers around the world. Yeah, exactly. यो another backyard हो यिनीहरूको, होइन है. यो ब्याकयार्डमा जुन गाडीको इन्जिन, यहाँ के हो, यो बाइक रहेछ. यो यामाको कुनै बेलाको हाम्रो राजाको पालाको बाइक हो.
र द शिट इज दिस कि यसमा केही छैन बचेको इन्जिन यत्रो ठुलो छ आई लभ दिस इन्जिन एनिवेज लेट्स गो समवेयर एल्स
अहिले चाहिँ वी आर लाइक आउटसाइड अफ दिस सेम ग्याराज एन्ड आई एम प्रिटी सरप्राइज टु सी दिस सेक्सन अफ द ग्याराज यु विल फाइन्ड सो मेनी सुपर बाइक्स पाइल्ड अप हियर यु जस्ट सी
यो के हो भनेको के यो के हो यति हेभी छ कि तर
के हो यो ट्याङ्क ग्यास ट्याङ्क माथि पनि एउटा सपोर्ट राखेको छ हेड हेर्न यसो कस्तो छ यार कसम
नेपालमा लिएर जान दिने भयो मैले यहाँबाट पुरै
फुर्सदले बनाएको हो तर धेरै नै प्लास्टिक हालेर आई हेट प्लास्टिक बडी यो बेसिकली कारको इन्जिन हो यु विल फाइन्ड अल द कार इन्जिन्स टोयोटा फर्ड ल्यान्ड क्रुजर मर्सिडिज they have every single part here. This is Yamaha. I want to show you something guys which I found very interesting. Look at this. Taran taran. Oh wow.
यसले दारु लेके
You know
जा
what is this?
दारु ले जाऊ
के हो थाहा छ
के हो यो
यो चाहिँ बाटोको लागि के हुन्छ ठ्याक्क हालेर फ्याक्ट हान्ने आई थिङ्क यसमा प्रेसराइज्ड एयर हुन्छ क्या Alright, so the name of the shop is Alikab Auto Use Spare Parts. You can check in Google also. And the phone number which they have provided here is 05030 29574. In a very bad shape, but look at the bike here. This is Kawasaki Ninja 1000cc. Alright guys, this is the end of the video and I hope you will gonna like it. We have so many other contents which will come in the nearby future. But for now we have to wrap up, and before going we would like to thank everyone who subscribed our channel and the bike enthusiastic people.